Okay, here we go. I just took it off the charger. So I'm holding the self-cleaning button. And I think another 10 seconds is 20 seconds. Yeah, and like nothing is happening. Yeah, nothing's happening. If I I don't know if you can see the serial number here. So yeah, I haven't been able to use this in quite a few months because every time I tried turning it on, it just complains about the water. I emptied out the water this time, but I could try filling it up again. Let's see. So there's not any cleaning solution in here, it's just straight water. No. It's probably gonna leak, so.
Please restart or contact customer service.
There you go. So yeah, it didn't really throw out much water this time, but yeah, it's something's wrong with it. I don't know. Thank you.
All right, it's on auto. Still leaves my floor very wet. I have to go over spots several times just to pick it up. You have to go really slow. And I don't know why, but this thing wants to take you for a ride. I'm telling you, she's got speed. So this is my house. I put up my chairs and stuff. It's not that huge, but I've had to stop and fill the tank almost twice now. And I've got 50% battery left. I don't think she's gonna make it on that much water. So yep, I have to fill it 3 times. I'm really regretting this purchase because the Bissell Crosswave can hold way more water. Granted, it's not cordless, but look at that. You see how dirty my floor is right now? Okay, if you go fast, it won't get it very well. You gotta go really slow. There you go. And let's just hope it dries okay and not streaky. Let's go look at a dry area. Then just, okay, it's improved, but still somewhat, no. I don't know, I feel like it could be better. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to end up purchasing the Crosswave and trying it out, and then I'm probably, if I like it more, going to return this one. I just stopping 3 times to fill its itty bitty little tank is a bit frustrating, and then careful because these corners, you don't get, you're like missing about an inch and some change there. So you got to be careful. I had an area rug. I lifted it up. Make sure to never go on a rug with this. Water tank empty already.
Charging has commenced. Charging has commenced.
To all parents out there, you need this friend. It's the Tineco vacuum and mop 2-in-1. I've been using it since April about, and oh my god, it is good. It's easy to use. You don't have to. There's
Start self-cleaning. Cleaning brush roller. Please restart or contact customer service. Clean water tank empty. Start self-cleaning. Cleaning brush roller. Cleaning debris channel. customer service. Start self-cleaning. Cleaning brush roller. Clean water tank empty. Please refill water and cleaning solution. Auto. Please restart or contact customer service. Charging has commenced. Clean the dirty water tank or the debris channel. Autofill. Please restart or contact customer service.